3. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a customer portal in Stripe. First, sign into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, click Settings in the top right corner. Then, under the Billing section, select Customer Portal. Now, click Configure if you're setting up the portal for the first time, or Edit if you already have a configuration. Here, you can choose which features your customers can access, such as updating payment methods, downloading invoices, managing subscriptions, or canceling their plans. Next, customize the portal settings to match your business needs. You can configure your business information, set cancellation options, and decide which subscription updates customers are allowed to make. Once you've finished, click Save to apply your changes. Your customer portal is now ready to use. You can generate a portal session through Stripe or your integration so customers can securely manage their billing information and subscriptions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a customer portal in Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.